with KHON2 Weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule, happy Sunday to everybody. Hopefully you're ready for a beautiful way to start off this new week, but things are expected to slightly change. For Kahului, Maui, a lot of sunshine coming through. Those rain chances remains low for the most part for tomorrow. Wind speeds really towards the east, where we're going to continue to see more of the gustier winds, but that's slowly going to taper down. Not much of the case for the west end, because starting tonight, we're already expecting the winds to begin to weaken, and that's going to take us into the first half of this upcoming week. For our threats for tomorrow, jellyfish, just one more day or so before they swim back into deeper waters. We do have that small craft advisory for the eastern waters being extended to tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, and it's not expected to be extended yet again. In terms of ocean conditions, 5 to 7 footers, we have this current swell peaking tonight in through tomorrow morning. So by tomorrow afternoon, 5 to 7 footers again with those box jellyfish. 2 to 4 for the east, 3 to 5 for the west, and 2 to 4 as well coming in up towards the north. And it's towards the north of the island chain where we have a cold front that's continuing to strengthen and intensify, and as it does so, it's going to continue to impact our winds and pull it from the east down from the southeast, and that's going to be replacing our trades once we come into Tuesday, Wednesday in particular, starting to change tomorrow for our Monday. So for tomorrow, lighter winds in terms of those trade winds, and then light and variables taking us through the middle of the week until we get to the second half. Now, quick update for hurricane season towards the far east in the eastern basin. We have a new disturbance within the next 5 days, a 40% chance of forming into something. Yesterday, we were talking about this disturbance here, not posing a threat in terms of forming into a cyclone, but moisture from this could be increasing rain chances by the time we get to next weekend. So just keep that in mind. In terms of the showers, though, stepping into the new week, we're going to slowly start to see some slight changes and increase of rain chances, not just for the windward sides, but in particular Tuesday and Wednesday. That focus will really go for the leeward sides as we're looking Tuesday afternoon. Expect leeward sides to have some increase of shower activity, and that's because of the lighter winds that we're going to be experiencing. But in addition, an upper level disturbance that's going to be moving from the east over the island chains towards the west. So in terms of leeward showers, we're really going to see that bump by Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, calmer conditions during the evening as we have more of this light and variable conditions allowing to clear out the skies and have some beautiful opportunities for stargazing for the evenings. But that could be again flaring up for the afternoon for the leeward sides, where across all the islands where the most intense drought conditions reside. So we're really looking forward to whatever showers come through. For tomorrow, county by county, 89 looks to be the high coming in from Maui. Greatest rain chances remain for the windward sides towards the east end of the island chain. But again, as we dip deeper into the middle of the week, Tuesday and Wednesday, those afternoon showers are expected to jump along with the humidity, ikiki, as we talk about it, that sticky conditions. That's going to start to bring some relief by the time we get to the ending of the weekend. Light trade winds are expected to return by Aloha Friday. Sam, back to you.